Kitchen drawers are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top kitchen drawers from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video.
Number 1.
Your kitchen is the heart of your home, but what about that one drawer? You know the one. The daily search for a fork. The battle with a rogue spatula. It's time to bring calm to the chaos. Introducing the Aujen Silverware Organizer. This isn't just another cutlery tray, it's a complete storage solution. The magic is in its expandable design. Whether your drawer is narrow or wide, the Aujen Organizer adjusts, gliding smoothly to create a perfect custom fit. No more wasted space, no more sliding around. It's designed for real life. You get dedicated, easy-to-see compartments for all your forks, knives, and spoons. But it doesn't stop there. The adjustable side panels are perfect for those larger, awkward items. The whisks, the serving spoons, the can opener. It's a multi-purpose powerhouse. Stop digging and start organizing. Transform your kitchen one drawer at a time.
Number 2.
This is your kitchen with the Lifewit Expandable Utensil Organizer. This isn't just a plastic tray. It's a custom solution for your drawer. The magic is in its expandable design. It slides out effortlessly to fit your drawer's width perfectly, from narrow to extra wide, eliminating wasted space. Made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, its smart, adjustable compartments create a dedicated spot for everything. Finally, a home for your small silverware and your bulky cooking gadgets. The sleek, black finish looks sharp and modern in any kitchen. Stop fighting with your drawers and start enjoying the calm of a perfectly organized space. It's a small change that makes a huge difference every single day. Ready to reclaim your kitchen drawer? Search for the Lifewit Expandable Utensil Organizer on Amazon. That's Lifewit. Tame the chaos and find your kitchen zen.
Number 3.
Introducing the Pipishell Bamboo Silverware Organizer. It's a beautifully simple solution to restore order to your kitchen. Crafted from stunning natural bamboo, it instantly elevates the look and feel of any drawer. The real magic is its expandable design. It slides out smoothly from 7 to 9 compartments, creating a perfect custom fit for your drawer, whether it's standard or extra wide. No more wasted space. Every spoon, fork, and knife finally has its dedicated home. The large, deep compartments hold everything from your everyday cutlery to serving utensils and small gadgets. And its use goes far beyond the kitchen. Imagine this level of organization for your office supplies, your craft materials, or your cosmetics. It's the versatile, multi-purpose tray you've been looking for. Durable, water-resistant, and eco-friendly.
Number 4.
Introducing BAMEOS Bamboo Drawer Dividers. This isn't just organization, it's an instant upgrade for your home. Crafted from beautiful, sustainable bamboo, these dividers bring a touch of natural elegance to any drawer. And the best part? No tools, no glue, no hassle. The powerful spring-loaded mechanism adjusts to fit your drawer perfectly. Just press the ends, place it inside, and let go. The non-slip rubber pads on each end grip tight, so everything stays exactly where you want it. Whisks there, cutlery perfectly aligned. Use the 4-pack to conquer clutter everywhere. Organize your t-shirts and socks in the bedroom dresser. Tame the cosmetics in your bathroom vanity. Create perfect sections for pens, chargers, and notepads in your office desk. One solution for every messy drawer.
Number 5.
Introducing the Pura Wood Bamboo Drawer Organizer. It's a transformation for your kitchen. crafted from beautiful, sustainable, and incredibly durable natural bamboo. The magic of the Pure Wood organizer is its versatility. In its compact form, you have 7 perfectly sized slots, ideal for your everyday forks, knives, and spoons. But what about your whisks, your spatulas, your serving spoons? With a simple pull, it effortlessly expands on both sides, revealing 2 extra long compartments. You instantly go from 7 slots to 9, creating the perfect home for every utensil in your collection. And it's not just for the kitchen. Use it to tame the clutter in your office desk, your craft room, or your vanity. Anywhere you need a touch of order and natural beauty.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe at my channel.